Happy Thanksgiving. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 25th of November. I'm James Spann. We will have a chance of showers around here later today and tonight with a cold front, and then a new surge of colder, drier air sets in here tomorrow. Let's go right to the upper air look. We have troughing digging down across the Great Plains states. That's pushing the front in our direction. That was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock, and you can see the rain moving into Memphis. And those showers will push into the northwestern corner of the state later today. Temperatures early this morning all over the board. We've got 29 at Gadsden. We've got 45 at Cullman. And, of course, the reason for the variation, we have changes in cloud cover and wind. We're expecting highs today in the low and mid-60s with clouds on the increase. There's the watch warning map. Pretty quiet day across the country. Wind advisories around Dallas-Fort Worth. Few winter weather issues up in northern New England, but again, amazingly quiet for Thanksgiving Day. Maybe a little thunder west of the state today from Memphis down through parts of East Texas. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm from coast to coast. And the same thing on day 3, which is Saturday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the biggest rain back in the Pacific Northwest. For Alabama, basically the rain we see for the next 7 days will be later today and tonight, and the amounts will likely be under 1/4 of an inch for much of the state. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, troughing to the north, cold front approaching from the north and west. The sky becoming cloudy today, highs in the 60s. This is the high-res NAM this evening at 6 o'clock, showing a weakening band of showers pushing down into parts of North Alabama. And again, limited moisture, no thunder, no severe weather, and light rain amounts. This is midnight tonight, the rain pushing down into the southeastern part of the state at that point. And then tomorrow will be a colder day. The sky sunny, the high close to 50. This is Saturday. We start the day in the 20s in many areas, well below freezing. The high Saturday close to 60, a perfect day for the Iron Bowl in Auburn. This is Sunday. The sky will stay sunny. Again, the high close to 60. We note that little wave in the Gulf of Mexico. Let's go to the European. It looks much like the GFS. There was one run yesterday where the European tried to bring this big mass of rain in here, but that was an outlier, and now both models are in good agreement, shunting that wave well to the south. Monday, a dry day. Lots of sunshine, the high close to 60. Tuesday, low to mid-60s. Wednesday, mid-60s with a sunny sky, and this is a week from today. Thursday, December 2nd, ridging building across the central United States. And once again, just as quiet as could be for much of the country. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, December 4th, troughing developing to the north. A cold front pushing in here, maybe bringing a band of showers, but if that works out, the rain amounts would likely be awfully light. The bottom line is that it's just a super quiet, calm pattern for the country. Here's the rain for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble, the mean under 1 inch between now and the 9th of December. Temperatures, you can see the cool down tomorrow, the high dropping to 50. Highs for the weekend, upper 50s, and then mostly 60s next week. In the latest CPC outlook, this is for December 2nd through December 8th. And if this works out, temperatures here would be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. We're doing one video today because of the holiday schedule. We'll have fresh notes of the blog this afternoon. If you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.